How to speed up your computer and laptop within 5 minutes by using this 3 method. Let's start. Once we open a computer, it will take more time because we automatically opening so many apps. That's the main reason. How to stop this? Open on the task manager on the right side. You guys will see on the top startup. On the startup, you guys see so many apps automatically open there. That's why the computer taking more time to open up. So we need to disable what are the apps not want to open while the computer is on. So here some of the app I'm going to disable, like Skype. I don't want to open while my computer need to open. You guys will see so many apps automatically logged there. Just click and disable. That's it. It's easy to prevent. And next step is on the settings. Open the settings. On the front there is a disk system. On the system there is an option called power and sleep. On the power and sleep, on the right side there is a additional thing, and on the top checkup. And then you guys will change an admin. There is an option for that one. Open that. There is a for check mark. Then check mark you need to enable it and save it. This one make you more faster. So after done this option, we going with the third option. Most of the computer automatically update the Windows. How to stop this updation? On the right side, just type misconfig lmsc. I already mentioned in the description. You need to type that one and check out the Windows update. We need to disable this part or manually do this, so it automatically not update your system, so our system get more faster. So, and we need to check every 2 weeks first of all, otherwise if there is an updation we can't see that. So try this 3 method, you will see the difference. Subscribe for more details.